So let's look at task 18T. The question says export the report saved in task 18S into rich text format so it can be included in a word processed document. So what you can do to export this report is just open your database. So this is my database here, right? So this is what I want to export. So what you want to do, make sure it's closed. Just go to the database where it is, the report where it's on the left pane, right click on it, then go to export here, and then from export you want to choose the Word RTF file, right? So you want to click on that, and then you want to make sure you browse the location where you want that file to be, right? In this case, I want mine to be on the desktop, so I'm just going to rename this task to task 18T. So I'm just going to save that and then okay that. So that will be done. So I'll just close this. So if you go to your desktop here or whichever folder you've chosen, it will be there. So if I open it, it will be able to open with Microsoft Word, and this is the report here. Okay. All right, so that's for it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.